Hello to you out there, my listening audience. My name is Benjamin Ayubuchi Bezeko. I'm from Onitsha, Anambra State, Nigeria. Today, I'll be showing us the complete transaction made via my full functional PayPal, which received money from Shorteast, Sky Company, and the withdrawal made from PayPal to my Payoneer Nigerian account. These are the accounts I operate via my Payoneer bank account here in Nigeria. And the British pounds money I make is this. This is the transaction being transferred to my Payoneer bank account. Earlier this month, the transaction was made via my PayPal to my Payoneer account on the August 10th, which now takes 2 to 3 days to arrive to my Payoneer bank account. This is the transaction mean. The transaction was sent out from PayPal on the 10th, and that 10th was the day I received my earnings from Sky Rock Company. 2 days from there, I received updated credit from PayPal, August 12, 2018. And here is the transaction details from my PayPal to my Payoneer bank account. That's it. Beneficiary Benjamin O. Bezeko. And this is the transaction. This video tutorial is to show us Nigerians that what happened in the Western world, Indian, Asian, equally happened down here in Nigeria. For us to beat the complexity nature of technology, we have to approach this new knowledge with an open mind. We ought to have a constructive imagination that will enable us see beyond, or that will enable us think outside the box and equally build a box that will be suitable for us. So, as you can see, all my transaction, the details, the review have been finally realized here. So for me to cash out from my Payoneer, it requires me to earn like £50 or $50 for me to withdraw direct to my Zenith Bank account here in Nigeria. All this is here in Nigeria. These are all the transactions made on my Payoneer account. And this is the withdrawal, make payment, manage currencies. So I go for withdrawal, we say withdraw funds in your browser, not now. So once again, I say thank you to you, my listening viewers out there. I believe that with all this demonstration, these reviews, and this thing I do here will inspire you that is watching me out there. I believe that with time, we, the youth of Nigeria, is going to make a difference all over the world. I love you all. Remember to comment on my channel, on the Facebook account where this thing is shared, and equally at Osinachi platform where this video is being inserted. Thank you all. One love. Peace out. Let's do more.